Below there. As you know, virtually all failed Alzheimer drugs over the past 30 years were designed to remove amyloid plaques based on the amyloid hypothesis. The amyloid hypothesis is an unproven hypothesis, which proposes that Alzheimer's disease is caused by the building up of amyloid beta plaque. Biogen's drug, Aducanumab, does not show noteworthy improvement in cognitive functions in Alzheimer's patients, and more than 42% of subjects participating in two phase 3 trials developed ARIA, Amyloid-Related Imaging Abnormalities, brain swelling and aseptic meningitis, a fatal condition. The FDA approval of Aducanumab on June 2021 was based on a surrogate endpoint biomarker, the reduction of amyloid plaques in the brain. The Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, CMS, ruled on April 7, 2022 that to date no trial of an anti-amyloid MAb has confidently demonstrated a clinically meaningful improvement in health outcomes, i.e., cognition and function, for AD patients. Thus, there is insufficient evidence to conclude that the use of monoclonal antibodies directed against amyloid is reasonable and necessary for the treatment of Alzheimer's disease. Biomed Industries, Inc. introduces a new approach known as the Neurogenesis Hypothesis for Alzheimer's disease. The hippocampus, being critical for learning and memory, continues to generate new neurons throughout life, a process known as adult hippocampal neurogenesis. Hippocampal neurogenesis is persistent through the 10th decade of human life and is detectable in patients with Alzheimer's disease. Nestin SOX2 neural progenitor cells and DCX neuroblasts and immature neurons were detected in subjects at 90 years old. There was a marked and progressive decline of DCX cell numbers in AD patients as compared with neurologically healthy individuals. AHN impairment compromises hippocampal function in AD and MCI. AHN impairment appears to take place prior to the presence of senile plaques and neurofibrillary tangles, both of which are key pathological hallmarks of AD in the dentate gyrus. Therefore, stimulating inherent AHN could serve as a therapeutic target for improving cognitive function and promoting synaptic resilience.